Aston Martin is going after the Porsche 911 Turbo S with a comprehensively overhauled version of the Vantage, which arrives as part of a wide-reaching revamp of the British firm's sports car lineup. Touting substantially more power and higher performance than its predecessor, the new Vantage is described by Aston Martin as the most driver-focused and fastest Vantage in the famous nameplate 74-year history. Arriving first in fixed-head form with a drop-top volante expected to follow, Aston's revamped coupe has not been extensively restyled on the surface. However, it has been comprehensively re-engineered inside and underneath, in line with Aston's strategy to bolster its sports car's dynamic and technological credentials. Related articles. Top 10 Best Super Sports Cars 2024. Aston Martin V12 Vantage 690 brake horsepower beast hits Silverstone. U.S. firm reveals armored Aston Martin Vantage. New Aston Martin V12 Vantage brings 690 brake horsepower, track focus. New 2022 Aston Martin V12 Vantage to be unveiled today. Headlining this round of important updates is a massive power increase for the Vantage's Mercedes-AMG-derived V8. Still 4.0 liters in capacity and blown by a pair of turbos, but with output hiked to 656 brake horsepower and 590 pounds-feet. The revised 8-pot now makes the standard Vantage as quick as the outgoing V12 Vantage. 0 to 62 miles per hour is dispatched in just 3.5 seconds and top speed is rated at 202 miles per hour. For reference, the previous V8 car produced 503 brake horsepower and 505 pounds-feet, needed half a second more for the 0 to 62 miles per hour sprint and topped out at 195 miles per hour, Aston Martin Vantage side. The hikes are the result of an extensive tuning program that has given the motor new cam profiles, tweaked compression ratios, improved cooling, courtesy of a new lower radiator and 2 extra auxiliary coolers, and, crucially, bigger turbochargers. An added benefit of all these changes is that the engine now has a more visceral and more vocal character. Adjustments to the ratios and calibration of the 8-speed automatic gearbox also mean the Vantage is claimed to have punchier in-gear acceleration and snappier shifts, as well as more distinct characteristics in each of the drive modes. Latest reviews. Skoda Scala 2019 Road Test Review, Hero Front. Skoda Scala. 8. Skoda Scala. Fiat 500 Review Hero Front. Fiat 500 Hybrid. 6. Fiat 500 Hybrid. Volvo XC40 Recharge Review 2024-01 Cornering Front.